Hello guys,
Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 free Gmail backup tools. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Google Takeout. Google Takeout allows you to archive your Gmail messages in Inbox, Starred, Important, Sent, and so on. You can archive Gmail messages from your labels to your computer in the form of zip files in MOB format. MOB is a standard format for storing email messages. Follow the steps to archive your Gmail messages in various labels to prepare backup on your computer using Google Takeout. We have published a dedicated video on Google Takeout to back up your Gmail messages. Video link is provided in the description and above iCards. Pros of Google Takeout. You can download Gmail messages from your selected labels in the form of zip files in the MOB format. You can directly download the archived Gmail messages onto your computer. Now it is easy for you to back up your important Gmail messages at any time you want. You can create more than one archive. Cons of Google Takeout. The MOB file format obtained from Google Takeout does not open directly on your computer. You need to install Thunderbird to open MOB file formats. You can't select specific messages in a particular label to archive. Number 2. Thunderbird. Thunderbird is versatile than Google Takeout, which allows you to copy specific messages of your Gmail directly onto your computer. You can import MOB format files and can open them using Thunderbird. This is a free to back up your Gmail messages. We have published a dedicated video on Thunderbird Gmail backup tool. Check description for the link. Pros of Thunderbird. In Google Takeout, all messages in a selected label are archived. There is no option to select particular messages in that label. But in Thunderbird, only the selected messages or all messages in a particular label can be copied directly to the local folders on your computer. Using Thunderbird you can import, back up your MOB format files and can open them on Thunderbird. Now it is easy for you to back up your selected Gmail messages directly onto your computer. Cons of Thunderbird. You can't store the copied Gmail messages on the cloud server. You can store the copied messages only on your computer. Not efficient in showing associated posts, messages, and various related sites documents. It does not furnish sufficient configuration for a certain number of security features. Number 3. UpSafe Gmail Backup. UpSafe is more user-friendly compared to the previous 2 applications. By using UpSafe, you can back up all messages in your Gmail directly onto your computer. Pros of UpSafe. It is more user-friendly compared to the previous applications because there are only 3 steps exists after installation. Those are sign in with Google, start backup, and view mail backup. Now it is easy for you to back up your selected Gmail messages directly onto your computer. Cons of UpSafe. The only one thing you have to remember is that before installing the UpSafe application, you have to install the following on your computer: Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5, and Microsoft.NET 4.5.1 Framework. If you want to store your Gmail messages on the cloud server, then this application may be expensive. Number 4. Mailstore Home. Mailstore Home is a powerful application to back up, export, and restore your Gmail messages at any instant. You can also import Inbox format files and can be opened on the Mailstore Home application. We have published a video on Mailstore Home that help you to copy your Gmail messages and also to import MOB format files. Check description for the video link. Pros of Mailstore Home. Mailstore is a powerful application to back up, export, restore your Gmail messages. Mailstore Home application is a more user-friendly and easier approach. You can import, backup, and can see your MBOX format files. You can back up your data onto your computer and also to any USB or to any hard disk. Cons of Mailstore Home. If you want to store your Gmail messages on the cloud server, then this application might be expensive. Number 5. GMVault. GMVault is a powerful command line-based Gmail backup tool that allows you to back up your Gmail messages up to date every day onto your computer. By following simple commands, you can back up your Gmail messages onto your computer, and also you can restore your messages to your Gmail. You have to download GMVault from its web page and install it on your computer. Then open the GMVault application and follow simple commands to synchronize your Gmail and back up your Gmail messages onto your computer. Pros of GMVault. GMVault is a powerful command line application to backup, export, restore your Gmail messages. GMVault application is simple for you when you understand the various commands on its application. Once you learn commands, then you have to follow those commands on its application to synchronize your account, to back up your messages, to export your messages. You can back up your data onto your computer up to date. Cons of GMVault. As GMVault is command prompt interfacing, this application is not user-friendly until you learn about programming and simple commands. As most of us familiar with the pictorial interface, it takes somewhat much time for you to learn command prompt and programming interfacing. All these software discussed are absolutely free. But we recommend to choose a premium tool to back up your Gmail messages. That is, SysTools Gmail Backup Software. This comes with a lot of advanced features that makes your backup safe and secure. We have a special 20% discount coupon for all SysTool products. Check description for the link. For your convenience, we have published a video on redeeming the coupon of SysTools. Its link will be found in the description and on above iCards. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.